Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can take a slow-mo video on the iPhone 14 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the camera app. In here, at the bottom, swipe across and select slow-mo. At the top here, choose whether you want to record in 120 or 240 FPS. You can also choose to turn on or turn off flashlight before starting. And then you can zoom in or zoom out before recording and tap on the record button to start recording your slow-mo video. So here I'm going to move this one up and down. Alright, once you are finished, tap on the stop button. And in here we can now replay the video. Now I can tap on this to move forward or move backward in the video. The sound is also slowed down during playback. If you tap on the information button, it will give you some information about the video that you have captured. You can also tap on the edit button to change your slow-mo in here. So you can choose which part to slow down or which part to speed up. And you can also add effects and brightness and exposure to your video. So you can change to different effects. And you can also crop the video as well. And then tap on done. So that is how you can capture a slow-mo video with the camera on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.